بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Against the grain.
If doing something goes against the grain, you're unwilling to do it because it contradicts what you believe in, but you have no real choice.
Daniela is always honest, and it went against the grain to tell lies today. If something goes against the grain, you would not usually do it because it would be unusual.
These days it goes against the grain to show too much respect for authority.
Having to get up this late in the morning really goes against my grain.
To be completely different from what you feel is right, natural, or normal for you.
Shutting animals up in cages goes against the grain.
Telling a lie is against my father's grain.
One. A difficult path to be followed. 2. Something which is contradicting our wishes. 3. Action performed unwillingly. 4. Hard to accept or do something as it is against our rules. 5. Things we don't do in the usual manner. 6. In the opposite way or perpendicular to the direction of the fibers of something like a piece of wood, meat, etc.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.